Hello boys and girls, today's learning intention is to add one digit to two-digit numbers. Our success criteria is I can use number bonds to count on and I can add to the next multiple of 10. So here I have my 100 bead string. I have moved 5 beads to the end of one side and we're going to add 3 beads on to the 5. So our sum is 5 add 3. So here I'm going to show you how to do it on the actual 100 bead string. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads and I'm going to move the rest away just now. Now we were adding 3 on, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, so we have 5 add 3. So you've probably worked out by now that 5 add 3 makes 8. So this time I've added 10 extra beads onto my side where I had the 5. So I now have 10 add 5. So I have 15 beads. And we're going to still add 3 on because that's what we started with, 5 add 3. So I've got my 15 and we're going to count 3 more, so 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to show you with the 100 bead string as well. So I've got my 10 and my 5. So there's my 15 in front of me. So I've added an extra 10. So we're still going to add the 3 extra on. So there's 15, 16, 17, 18. So we knew that 15 add 3 equals 18. Well done if you got there before we worked it out together. So you can still see the original 5 add 3 equals 8, but this time I've added my 10 extra onto my 5, which gave us 15, and that means our answer has to be 10 more than our first answer. So 10 more than 8 is 18. So the next sum we're going to look at is 25 add 3. So I've added an extra 20 onto my original 5. So I've got 25, 26, 27, 28. So 25 add 3 equals 28. And then again you can see I've still got my 5 add 3 equals 8. But this time we added an extra 20 onto my 5, so it's 25. So that means my answer has to be 28 because we've added an extra 20 onto our sum, so our answer has to be an extra 20. This time I'm going to show you using coins. So I have 10 pence coins and I have 1 pence coins. So let's see what I have. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I have 35 coins, my 10s and my 1s. So I'm going to add 3 more onto my 35. So 36, 37, 38. So 35 add 3 equals 38. And again, there's my extra 30 added onto my sum and my answer. Is anyone beginning to spot a pattern? Okay, so we're going to do one more with coins. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So my 10s and my 1s equals 45. And I'm going to add 3 more. 46, 47, 48. So I add 45, add 3 equals 48. And there's that pattern in there again. So here's all the sums that we've just done. And you can clearly see that every time we add an extra 10, the answer has an extra 10. So if you're adding 35 add 3, it's going to be 38. 45 add 3 is 48. And so on. All the way up to 98. So your task for today is to complete workbook page 7 and if you want to do any extra, you can create your own sums, making sure you add on 10 each time to find your answer. Remember to send any work to me or Miss Healy, or post it on your Dojo portfolios.